Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, essentially in a nutshell, the law requires that the vessel owners to remove any derelict ships and essentially to carry wreck removal insurance, as we've seen some of the companies do that in recent time. Mr. Speaker, sir, essentially a lot of the local shipping companies, they don't seem to carry this shipwreck insurance, removal insurance. And in fact, they are the ones who sort of littered the harbours in a lot of places where these derelict ships, in fact, have not been removed. Of course, in order to remove them, we have to have a multi-agency partnership to be able to ensure that when we do remove derelict ships, there's no damage to the environment. We have MSAF involved, and of course, Fiji Ports Corporation Limited, Mr. Speaker. So this question has been answered previously too, sir. And the fact is that these ship owners actually have a responsibility. They are the ones who are supposed to remove it. And now the burden seems to be falling on Fiji Ports Corporation Limited. A number of the shipping companies actually have been given notices to remove the derelict ships. Now I've got a whole list of them over here, Mr. Speaker, sir, as to which ones need to be removed. The one, of course, that was quite well known was the ship that was here. We had the containers floating. And of course, the insurance company moved in and removed it. It's obviously not an easy task to do so. It does require a lot of logistics, requires a lot of planning. Environment also need to be involved in it. So essentially, in a nutshell, that's the game plan in respect of removing it. Sometimes it can cost, anywhere from $50,000 to millions of dollars just to remove one particular derelict ship. The cost is quite, enormous. There was an estimate that was done that to remove all the derelict ships in Suva Harbour, Lautoka Harbour, and Levuka would cost about 59 million Fijian dollars. A lot of these ships are actually local owners, and they've just sort of sunk it and they've disappeared, essentially. Some of those companies don't even exist. So that's the state of affairs. And we are happy to report that none of the ships at the moment, the derelict ships, is there any damage being caused, visibly. Environment has not alerted us to any environmental degradation from these derelict ships. They, of course, are a nuisance in the sense that it does cause, it can get in the way in terms of the various movement of vessels in the harbour. There are currently 17 derelict vessels and 32 wrecks in Suva Harbour, Lautoka Port Area and Levuka Port Area altogether. Thank you.